In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look at the graph of a quadratic and find your solutions to the equation. So in example 1, we're not given the actual equation, we're given it in graph form. So remember, when we solve a quadratic equation, basically what we're doing is we're trying to find values of x that I would plug in and get out 0. So what we're doing is we're really looking for the x-intercepts. So when we look at this first example here, I have two x-intercepts. I have one at 0 and I have one at -4. So my two solutions are going to be 0 and -4. For example 2, there's only one place that it crosses the x-axis, or actually it doesn't even really cross it, it just does what I like to call a touch and turn. It touches the x-axis at x equals 4. So this is the case where we have one real solution. So if we actually had this equation and we plugged it into our quadratic formula, our discriminant would be 0. Okay, the third example, when we solve the quadratic by looking at the graph, for this example, since it doesn't touch the x-axis, we're not going to have any real solutions. So no real solutions. Our solutions here are going to be imaginary. We'll have two imaginary. And that we can't tell by looking at the graph. So if you're doing this on XYZ, I believe they just want you to put in DNE for no real solution. But you still would have the two imaginary zeros. They just wouldn't be x-intercepts. And that's all there is to solving by looking at the graph. You just are looking to see where it crosses the x-axis.